Hydrogen fuel revolution in India. Shift toward sustainability. India is undergoing a transformative shift to hydrogen fuel, replacing petrol and diesel to embrace sustainable energy and reduce carbon emissions. This transition, guided by government initiatives like the National Hydrogen Mission 2021 and advancements in green hydrogen technology, positions India as a leader in clean energy. The vision: a hydrogen-powered future. India's goal to achieve net zero emissions by 2070 aligns with its hydrogen roadmap, which aims to reduce reliance on imported fossil fuels and build a robust hydrogen economy. Key areas of focus include: 1. Transportation: fuel cell vehicles, CEVs, and hydrogen combustion engines for trucks, buses, and trains. 2. Industry: green hydrogen as a cleaner option for steel, ammonia, and oil refining. 3. Energy storage: hydrogen for balancing renewable energy grids. 4. Residential: blending hydrogen with natural gas for household applications. Key actions for transition: hydrogen production targeting 5 million metric tons annually by 2030, with indigenous electrolyzer development (PEM) and alkaline infrastructure, building hydrogen refueling stations, storage systems, and transport pipelines. Incentives: production link subsidies, tax benefits for hydrogen vehicles, and mandates for industrial hydrogen use. Benefits of hydrogen fuel. 1. Enhanced mileage: hydrogen's high energy density acts petrol enables vehicles to travel km per tank. 2. Reduced costs: projected hydrogen costs of per car by 2030 lower per kilometre expenses compared to petrol diesel. 3. Environmental gain: zero emissions, only water vapour and reduced air pollutants like CO and NOx. Overcoming challenges: costs: expensive vehicles and infrastructure mitigated by subsidies and investments. Infrastructure: limited refueling stations addressed by large-scale development projects. Safety: advances in handling and storage technology ensure safe operations. A cleaner, greener future. Hydrogen-powered solutions significantly cut pollution, improve urban air quality, and reduce industrial carbon footprints. Leveraging its abundant solar and wind resources, India ensures sustainable hydrogen production. This revolution not only enhances vehicle efficiency and affordability, but also positions India as a global pioneer in clean energy, driving a green